is The Alan Show. I have a guest star tonight named Joe Bill.
Hi, my name's Joe Bill. I'd like to ask you a couple questions, Alan.
What kind of questions, Joe Bill?
Like, are you really a hobo?
Maybe, okay? Joe Bill, maybe.
What's your giraffe name and why?
My giraffe's name's Apu because I saw him pooping on a mop.
Okay, are you really retarded?
The world may never know.
Well, have you been in any recent relationships?
Oh! Yeah, Emily.
Love you, Emily. You gotta go? Bye.
Well, that's about the size of it. So, I'd like to show you one last thing.